Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert videos online. I will show you three best ways. I know if you're looking for the online converter, you are at the right place. Let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile, then you have to put the URL which I'm showing to you. Type video dash converter. Check the spell which I'm putting here, .com, and press the enter key. Now you can see here uh, a website is open and it has a great UI interface. Now for putting your video, click on open file and upload the file you want to convert. For example, I will show you. I will select the video now. Okay. All right. I will put this C video on my converter. Now select the format you want to your video to be converted. For example, I want to convert my video MKV option. I will select MKV. Then once done, click on the convert button. As you can see here, my video is uploading on the website. The web tool will convert the video you have uploaded. Once converted, you will get the option to download and convert the video. Now it's uploading and okay. Now you have to click on this final step. Select convert. Now you can see my video is converting. The site will allow you to upload up to 4 GB of files and it's known for its no loss conversion. And you can directly download from here. Now I will show you the next website. Click on plus tab and just put the URL which I'm putting here. Type video dash converter con converter dash online.com and put the enter. Now you can see here uh, a great URL interference website is have opened. Now you have to repeat the same step. You have to upload the video. You have to select the format and then you can directly download and you can convert it easily. Now we'll show you the last not the least website and it is veed.io. It's not Veed. I will show you the spelling V-double-E-D. It's V-double-E-D dot io. Click on enter. Now you can see here, you can start for free and you can also use other AI tools you can use for generation, editing, and AI voices. You have to repeat the same easy steps. And that's it, guys. I hope you like my video. And if you got any trouble or if you have any query, put down in the comments. I will solve your query. And guys, kindly like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.